Here I have a caper. Can y'all see him? I'm gonna try it. I'm hungry and I want a snack. So let's make a snack. But let's make it fun and let's do snack ideas that I saw from TikTok, trying them and being honest about them so you guys don't have to be let down. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Kay and this is literally my world. In today's video, I'm going to be trying these TikTok snack recipes and being honest about them, giving them an honest review so you guys literally don't have to be let down. I feel like we hear a lot about certain foods and we see a lot of certain foods on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and it looks so good. And then when we go to try them out, the taste is just not adding up to the visual. They're just not. So I have worked up myself an appetite. Today was the first day of OT school. As you can see, we all wore our GW occupational therapy shirts for picture day. And I decided to make this quick snack before I start studying and doing work. So yeah, so the snack that we're making today is currently going viral on TikTok right now, and it's the cucumber, like that whole cucumber thing that I think his name is Logan. I saved it. Yes, here he is.
Let me show you the best way to do it. First, let's say you're in third.
So yeah, we're gonna try Logan's recipe, and his recipe is basically a lox recipe. So he used smoked salmon, capers, cucumbers of course, chive and onion, cream cheese, he uses MSG, but I'm not gonna use MSG. Onions, I'm probably not gonna use onions because I'm not an onion fan. Maybe I will to get the flavor. And he also uses bagel seasoning, but I am not an everything bagel seasoning girl. I'm not gonna lie. So I'm gonna do my own little spin on it, which is just using a different seasoning, like just salt, because he does use salt. So let's get started. Okay guys, so we have all of our ingredients. We have a half a cucumber because I don't know if I'll eat the whole thing. We'll see if I want to make more. We have our smoked salmon. We have he used red onion, so I'm gonna use red onion, onion and chive. Oh my gosh, I forgot my capers. And we have capers. I'm just gonna put it in Tupperware because, well, not only because he did, but because that's all I have. Don't judge my little Tupperware. Y'all, I do not know how to cut onions, so please don't get at me. He cut them long ways, so that's what I'm gonna do. I'm not gonna cut a lot because I'm not an onion girl. I'm sorry. That's about how much I'm gonna cut. Just a wee bit. So this is what we're dealing with right now. I'm gonna open the pack of smoked salmon, figure out how to open it. There you go. Okay, now I'm gonna add the capers. That wasn't so hard. Oh, I wish I had a phone. Man. Oh, I got it. The capers I'm only gonna add just a little of because they have a very interesting taste. I'm gonna do this over the sink. I like don't want the juice. I just want the capers. Just use a fork. Hello? Girl, why was that in my capers? And last but not least, the cream cheese. He used whipped cream cheese. Trader Joe's did not have whipped cream cheese, so we're just going to make it work. I'm gonna add a good amount of cream cheese. I'm not eating dry cucumbers. Hey, this would be really good with some chips. Okay, so now we have to shake it up. See how this works. I might just actually have to like mix this. Okay, y'all, I'm gonna mix it. I don't know how he's shaking his up, but we're just gonna mix it manually because mine does not want to cooperate. I think it's because the fact that my cream cheese is kind of cold. I'll have to add salt. I forgot about that. It smells good. I will say that it does smell good. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and just try this. Like, this was so chaotic, but we're gonna try it. Now, hold on. It's actually pretty good. Let me try it with the caper. I'm gonna try it. It actually is very good. Like, I was not expecting it to be this good. I understand why he adds MSG. I didn't add MSG because I didn't buy MSG. The salt, if I had more salt, I feel like it enhances the flavor a lot. The cream cheese is not bad at all. Like, it doesn't taste that oniony, or if it does, it meshes well with the salmon and the actual onion and the cucumber. I didn't add enough caper, so I don't really taste the capers like that. But this is really flavorful. This is like really good. I really like it. I feel like I would eat the dip though. The dip with like chips though. Delicious. Like I said, I would probably actually not skip the steps of MSG and or salt because I feel like it brings out the flavor more. The first bite that I had was really good because the first bite had salt on it. I would rate this particular TikTok recipe an 8 out of 10, just taking 2 points off of the flavor profile. But this, I would say, is actually a success. So when you see people remaking this recipe, they are not lying. It is not bad at all. But thank you guys so much for watching the first video of trying TikTok recipes and being honest about it, so you guys don't have to get your hopes up about it, okay? Today we made this cucumber recipe by Logan on TikTok, and I would rate it a success. So thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to stay tuned for other videos, and make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to hear more from me in the future. Bye.